Hello, Mariano. Sorry for about what I did earlier.
Alejandro, do you remember when you crashed my ice cream cart?
Ah, yes.
It wasn't an accident. You did it on purpose. I cannot believe.
Well, I remember when you crashed into my flowers on Daniela's garden. Do you remember that?
Well, it was an accident.
Alejandro.
Ah, oopsie.